power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on and off-road as you take on new adventures. Take a look at this Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Willys in black clear coat. For headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, black 3-piece hardtop, rear window with rim washer, tow package, 3,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, command track part-time 4-wheel drive system, rear 60/40 folding seats, 3.0-liter V6. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.